Disinfect and clean your washroom using the aquama solution. Start by spraying the solution on the sink and wipe it completely with the microfiber. For the toilet, start by spraying the toilet flush before spraying the toilet layer by layer. Then, using a microfiber, wipe the toilet in that same order. For the interior, spray with the solution. Take the brush and start cleaning any grime. Once you're done, disinfect the brush with the solution. For windows or mirrors, thoroughly spray the surface and use a microfiber to clean any dirt or grime. Finally, remove the excess water at the bottom of your mirror or glass with a microfiber. For more information or questions, consult the Help and Tutorial section on the Aquama app.